Sa ibang balita, inirekomenda ng mga nasa akademya sa pamahalaan ang pagkakaroon ng mas maigting na relasyon diplomatiko sa bansang China. Naniniwala kasi ang mga ito na magiging mahaba pa ang proseso kaugnay ng usapin sa West Philippine Sea. Si George Bandola sa detalye.
Magiging mahaba daw at matrabaho ang kaso ng Pilipinas laban sa China sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. Sabi ng ilang mga eksperto, lamang ang Pilipinas sa kaso nito sa Arbitral Tribunal pero hindi dapat isantabi ng miyembro ng United Nations ang China at miyembro rin ng high-level UN Security Council. Sabi ni dating Senate Committee on Foreign Relations Chair Leticia Ramos-Sihani, ikinukonsidera ng powerful ang China ngayon at maaaring may impluensya nito ang arbitral proceedings.
In international law, even power is the game in international affairs. It's not just legal, and this is where I sort of maybe, of course, we do have a legal claim, but, you know, China can always wring the neck of the Secretary General.
Bagamat hindi naman isusuko ng Pilipinas ang claims nito sa West Philippine Sea, hindi rin naman opsyon ng China ang giyera taliwas sa mga pinalulutang sa media.
Who wants to go into war anyway? And China knows that they will not win a war, even if they win it with the nuclear weapons. Nobody wants war now.
Nauna nang dinala ng Department of Foreign Affairs ang territorial dispute sa International Court pero handa pa rin itong makipag-usap. Nasa China na ngayon kung paano ito magpapakita ng sincerity. Kung hindi, aasa na lang ang Pilipinas sa desisyon ng Arbitral Tribunal.
If the Chinese wants sincerely bilateral negotiation, they probably have to show that they're willing to go to the status quo ante of April. Withdraw the ships from Panatag Shoal, and the Philippines does not have to take over, but let the fishermen return there, and then I think the Chinese will regain their credibility.
The Philippines wants the arbitral tribunal to ignore the issue of sovereignty of the islands. Okay? It expressly said that we do not want the issue of the sovereignty over any of these islands to be addressed by the tribunal. Okay. All we want done is for them to divide the waters.
Rekomendasyon ng mga nasa academe, umisip ng paraan ng administrasyon para magkaroon ng mas maigting na diplomatic relations sa China.
What the Philippines can do, just like Vietnam, is to use its diversified relations and the leverage of ASEAN to force the Chinese not to too much aggressively play their card in bilateral negotiation. Negotiation at the end of the day and joint maritime exploration and joint exploration of hydrocarbon resources is the solution.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.